In this video, we will import clients into Nexentis from an existing Excel file. This is useful when you already have a list of clients from another system and want to add them quickly instead of creating each one manually. To be able to use this import tool, your existing system must be able to export the clients in an Excel file or a CSV file. From the dashboard, go to the Quick Action section and click Client Import. The Import Clients window will open. To begin, click Import Clients from Excel. Select the Excel file that contains your client information. Your file should include the client names and any related information you want to import, such as addresses, contact names, phone numbers, and email addresses. Once the file is selected, click Open. Nexentis will open the Client Import Mapping screen. Here you match the columns from your Excel file to the correct Nexentis client fields. The required field is the client name. Other fields, such as address, quality contact information, and project manager information can also be mapped if they are available in your file. For fields that do not exist in your Excel sheet, you can leave them set to skip. After the columns are mapped, click Validate. Nexentis will check the Excel file before importing it. If the validation is successful, you will see a confirmation showing how many rows are valid. If you are updating the client list, only the new clients will be added, even if your Excel file contains the full client list. Click OK to continue. Once validation is complete, click Execute Import. Nexentis will ask you to confirm before sending the client import to the API. Click Yes to continue. This will import the client records in one batch. When the import is complete, Nexentis will show a summary. This includes the total number of rows processed, how many clients were inserted, updated, unchanged, or skipped. Click OK to close the message. To confirm that the import worked, you can search for one of the imported clients. Click Search Clients, enter the client name, and click Search. The imported client should now appear in the results list. Select the client and click Select. The client record will open with the imported information. Here you can review the client name, address, quality contact, project manager information, phone numbers, and email addresses. You can make any corrections if needed, then click Save. Your clients are now imported and ready to be used in Nexentis for purchase orders, inspections, NCRs, RFIs, and quality documentation. Using the Client Import tool saves time and helps you move your existing client data into Nexentis quickly and accurately. Once your clients are imported, you can continue building your quality workflow directly inside the platform. In the next video, we will go over entering your first purchase order.